Yo, what up? So this is Topher Lee. I'm coming to you today to show you a Denman Brush curly hair routine for men. Look at those curls. They just popping. Oh, yeah. We're going to start out with 3 products. First one is the Eco Styler Gel. Next product we're going to have is the Denman Brush. And then we're going to have that blue thing there, which is a spray bottle. So all 3 products we're going to use. Oh, and definitely, scrunchies, but everybody has a scrunchie, right? So all I'm doing pretty much is spraying each strand of hair, whichever I'm using, with water from the spray bottle. I'm making sure that the pieces are small enough. I'm not really parting to make any special or critiqued piece of hair. What I'm doing is just pulling it out, making sure it's enough. Then you see that's the gel. So I'm coming with the Eco Styler gel. Just putting that on the hair, smoothing it out, making sure it goes all the way to the ends. And then what I'm going to do is comb or brush outward with the Denman brush. Do you see as those curls separate? That is the 9-row Denman brush. And then I let go. Simple as that. And if I don't feel like it's curled enough, I'll go back and do it again. But how you want to do this is up and outward, up and outward. You want to have your curls in the same pattern. It's pretty much like a curling iron, no heat. So my objective is to let the Denman brush do its work. What it does, it clumps the curls in a great pattern. It makes the curls look tight, defined, and individualized. I'm going to go back and do it again, as you see, with just a little Eco Styler gel, smoothing it out, coming with the Denman brush. And we're going to make sure that I go up and outward to make my curls clump in the same exact direction. I'll just go around the brush a little bit, hold it, make sure that the ends have the product, and then I let go. Sometimes I may do it a few more times with smaller sections. The smaller sections with the Denman brush actually give the style that I'm looking for and makes sure that it's perfect and defined, very defined. It's going to turn out awesome. You'll see these beautiful curls. Watch. One thing I love about that Eco Styler is that snap back. And the Denman brush, it's just one thing that just adds more to it. Snap. Look at that. Just snap back. I love it. You just up and outward. Make sure you do those curls properly. Hold it a little while. Not too long because it's not heat. But definitely that Denman brush will make sure that you see what you want. Snap. And this is the amount of Eco Styler gel that I use. Wait a minute, let me stop and just show you these curls. Look at those. Hold on. Look at those curls. One more time. Wow. Clear eyes. So this is the finished product. What do you think? Well, me, myself, personally, I love it. This style is the bomb. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe below. My information will be in the description box. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you have any other questions, reach out to me. I'd love to answer. Any other products you want me to try, I definitely will. I'm not sponsored by Denman or Eco Styler. I'm done.